Eki, Esther. My name is Ralph Layton. I am founder of Friends of Tuva. I congratulate you on the 100th anniversary of the Tuva Shepherds Republic, Tuva Arats Republic. I am in Sonoma, California, which is something like your Sugbaje or Kochetovo, because it's in this town where the California Republic was founded. Whoop, got it the wrong way. There you are. I know that the Tuva Republic lasted for 23 years, and you put out fantastic stamps, and you had a government, a real country. But the California Republic lasted 25 days. That was it. Only one guy was the president for 25 days, and then it was over, except for a memory on the flag. So anyway, congratulations again on the 100th anniversary of the Tuva Republic, and I wish you many, many more years of good life and prosperity. Isig Bayer, California Dan. Shoot, Toru.